My good boy. Why don't you show the internet what you do? You're really good at that, too. Oh, there goes the chews. You know, Moo, you're actually very well behaved. You just kind of pace, yell a bit, nom a bit. We're very proud of you. You go, nom, nom, nom. Oh, Daisy. Moo, you know that you ate 8 hours ago. There they come. Yeah, do you chew more when... Is that your medicine getting mixed in? He gets a probiotic because his sensitive stomach is sensitive. Okay, okay. No, it's only a minute and a half. Give her a nice pet. Oh, Mo. You get your slow eater bowl so you don't, take from your sister. Which is great, because he'll just run over there and take hers, and she'll just go, oh, okay, and walk away, and I have no idea why. Come on. It's super weird. She knows he'll finish all of it, so I'm not really sure why. But, I don't think it matters why. They're cats. That's why.